of those moments where you remember your why. It brings back the excitement of learning.
The program has honestly reshaped my thinking.
In our world, in our culture today, we hear so many negative things about education, and this program has reminded me that there are very positive educators out there doing amazing things in their classrooms.
We have K-12 programming. We have the graduate students here at Alvernia who are our teachers and administrators from the county in our courses. We do professional development with them.
It's brought me into a new perspective and how I can engage my students through discovery is important and just being a guide on the ride.
The program's kind of been a way of me awakening my passion for teaching because it's making me think more about myself and how I can better meet the needs of my students, how to get them to be more inquisitive, to love learning and want to continue on beyond the classroom.
Our students have natural curiosity, and we need to do everything in our power to embrace that as young as possible and encourage that through all the years of schooling so that they continue to be engaged and active participants in their future.
As an administrator, I'm able to walk into classrooms and offer an outside view in other ways to get students engaged or to build those collaborative conversations among each other. So I think that administrators get a different view of it, and I think it's really cool to come together and work with the teachers.
One of the things we've seen in our school districts is that when we train groups of people in total experience learning together, they actually rebuild the culture of their spaces, their individual classrooms, but also the entire school building together. With total experience learning being at Alvernia University is the opportunity for undergraduate students to be able to work in our programs. We hire undergraduates for our after-school programs, for our summer programs, to do workshops and trainings with students to engage with them.
The biggest thing is actually the mentality that the program promotes. I learned how to be a mentee, and then also through the summer camp process, I did it on the flip side of being a mentor and teaching the students, which was really fun. I was able to learn the scientific method and how to implement it into my studies, sort of how to take the concepts that I was learning in the classroom and see how that could be applied to the real world.
Alvernia University is a natural fit for TXPL. It cultivates our educational ecosystem, the support that we have for the community, and the impact that we see in the economy of our community is one of the driving factors behind the headquarters staying in Reading Berks for TXPL, but also to make that headquarters at Alvernia University is innovative and entrepreneurial at heart.